Alright, so I'm going to quickly help with example 3. Just to give you a head start if you need it. So first thing is remember, what I put right here is that this has a negative coefficient. And that negative coefficient is, let me press next here on the draw it. Okay, this negative coefficient is right here. Sometimes it's like harder to notice, but minus 4x is a negative coefficient. Right there. So what does that mean? That means my inequality is going to flip because we're going to be dividing by a negative number. So it has to flip. Okay, so now what do? We have a variable side. We have a number side. Okay, well, first thing we always get rid of is this coefficient right here, the minus 2. Always the constant. The number without the variable gets away first. How do I get rid of minus 2? We do the opposite. Remember, we're trying to get 0 here. So I add 2 on both sides. Now this becomes 0, go away because you ain't a variable. And here is negative 10 plus 2, so what do we have left? We have the minus 4x is greater than or equal to negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. Okay, so remember, when you try to get 1x, remember what happens. I'm now dividing by negative 4. If I'm dividing by negative 4, you all know what has to happen to this. This needs to flip. So that's all I'm going to tell you for now. You could definitely try this on your own at this point with this little head start, but I do want you to remember that you have to flip anytime you have a negative coefficient, and this counts as a negative coefficient. This is a minus 4x, which means the 4 is negative. So don't forget that.